What's up, guys? George D here with a song lesson for you. Today we're going to look at House of the Rising Sun as done by the Animals. We'll zoom in, we'll take a look at the chords and arrangement. The chords are pretty straightforward in this song. I think it's the strumming hand that a lot of you are going to have to work on. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. This is just one of many songs I plan on teaching you guys. So without further ado, let's zoom in and take a look. So most of this song is made up of open, major, and minor chords. If you don't know these chords, I highly recommend checking out my videos on them. It'll make learning these songs a breeze because you'll already have all the building blocks you need to learn them. So the chords in this song are A minor, C major, D major, F major, and E major. So in terms of arrangement for these chords, our intro is A minor, C major, D major, F major, A minor, E major, A minor, and back to E major. Now, in terms of strumming pattern, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pluck the root of each chord. And then you're going to want to do this kind of sweeping motion from the D string, always from the D string. Then you're going to come back down on the B string. And then you're going to lift up off the chord and pluck the open G string. He pretty much does this every time, plucks the open G string at the end of the sequence. There's some variation there. You'll have to listen to see where that is, but for the most part, he's plucking that open G string. So all put together, it'll sound like this. Okay, so now the verse. We're going to play A minor, C major, D major, F major, then again, A minor, C major, except this time, it's E major, twice. A minor again, C major, D major, F major, A minor, E major, A minor, E major. And we're going to do this using the same picking pattern that we used in the previous section. So it'll sound like this. Now after the verse, you're just going to play one run through of the same chord arrangement we did in the intro and then back into another verse. So it'll sound like this. And then back into a verse. And that's pretty much it. The only differences in the song beyond that are the organ solo and the ending. During the organ solo, they play an intro into a verse and then another intro. And they're using a different strumming pattern. They're just doing a... and then into the final two verses. And then for the ending, we're just going from A minor to D minor 6 times, and then it ends on an A minor. So... 3, 4, 5, 6, and then ends on the A minor. And that's it. I recommend learning the chords, practicing the strumming pattern, and playing along with the album version of the song until you can get the full picture. And again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. By the time you learn this song, I'm sure that I'll be uploading another video. And remember, if you have any questions, like this video and leave them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.